Seattle, Lindy 3, so much Tandem Charleston. This was a lot of Tandem Charleston. So as a default then, when we're thinking about Tandem Charleston, we want to let the arms and legs work in opposition, but we want to think about the arms having more of a rolling feeling, rather than trying to hit endpoints. Rolling, 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 bop, 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 and bop, bop. If we keep that feeling, our default tandem looks like this. Left, left, right, right, rock, and you kick, and you kick. We did this push-out shape first. So that right hand pushes out, then it comes back. There it is. We also did this, up and over, stepping through, coming back, follows come through. The last piece was follower's turn, leader's turn, and then back together. The whole thing goes. Rock, step, kick, a kick, and a kick. Rock, step, kick, a kick, and a kick. Rock, and then you push, sit, and bring it back. Rock, and you kick, and a kick. Down and out. Rock coming in. Tandem, kick, and a kick. Rock, turn around. Rock, and coming through. Kick, kick, kick. Here's the turn. Rock, step, kick, underneath. Rock, step, kick, a kick, and a kick. Boom. We showed one little tandem styling variation, which had a boogie drop. If we do it this way so you can see, it looks like 5, 6 from the top. Rock, step, step, a boogie drop. Rock, step, step, a boogie drop. Rock, step, kick, a boogie drop. And there it is. In tandem, it looks like rock, step, kick, and a boogie drop. Rock, step, kick, and a boogie drop. And there you go. So much Tandem Charleston with the Swing It Seattle live stream.
Yay, thanks everybody.